elevator going up, busy, so I turn my phone off. I'm crazy and messed up, now I can't talk. And I hate to admit I took you real deep in my lungs, now I can't quit. And you laying next to you got me questioning what I think is important. And oops again, don't know what I've been all I turn to when you make me sweat. I can't forget why as you kiss my neck. I can't forget as you kiss my neck, make me sweat. I feel to come diving on. I feel to come. I feel to come diving on. I feel to come. My fever's high. Okay, you check, no, you won't replace. All I get is your neck. My fever's high. I'm all messed up. Yeah, I locked the door, switched on light. That make me sweat. I can't forget why as you kiss my neck. I can't forget as you kiss my neck, make me sweat. Try keep it cool, don't know what's happening to me. Wanna be with you again and again. I wanna hit that rewind. I don't know, I don't wanna come on strong, but I'm having the time of my life. Everything you give to me is magic. It's magic. Wish every day was on repeat. My life would be so romantic. It's true, I'm caught in my head about you, and I love the things you do. This moment right here is so good. I hope I get deja vu. I hope I get deja vu. I hope I get deja vu. DEJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. DEJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. Moments with you don't lay never enough. Wanna play 'em again and again up until I get a hair rush. I don't know just how you do it, falling hard, don't wanna run it. Everything you give to me is magic. It's magic. Wish every day was on repeat. My life would be so romantic. It's true, I'm caught in my head about you, and I love the things you do. This moment right here is so good. I hope I get deja vu. I hope I get deja vu. I hope I get deja vu. DEJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. DEJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. DEJAVU. Hope I get deja vu. Deja vu. Whatever happened to make a fool out of me? I was lost in the idea of it all. Too many years of you suffering here, burning down right now. And I don't know where I run to, but it could be oblivion. I dream I was making love to a whole new life. Learned my lesson once, I'll skip the reminder. I was left